Chief Meteorologist Nikki-Dee with KLBK's first warning weather.
Check it out. Gorgeous sunrise this morning, and you've got to check it out in review. We have everything we need to see more rainfall headed to the South Plains, because you notice this morning, gorgeous cloud cover across the South Plains. And of course, that is thanks to that easterly flow drawing in more moisture, and we're continuing to see that moisture being drawn in, and we've got a little lift to help out, and that's why we are dealing with some showers and thunderstorms happening right now on the exclusive KLBK digital Doppler radar. Right now we are experiencing a significant weather advisory for Castro and Palmer counties. These storms are pushing their way down to the south at 15 miles per hour. Within them, we are getting a little bit of a nice heavy downpour in some locations, less than 1/4 of an inch when it comes to a total rainfall, but still, we'll take the rain when we can get it. And we're also dealing with quite a bit of clouds or ground lightning within these storms and the small hail core that we're continuing to keep an eye on as it rebuilds. We already have had reports of pea-sized hail just around the storms, and we're looking to see more of that hail pushing its way as the storms push down to the south. But we've got these storms up towards the north in Palmer and Castro, where we are dealing with that significant weather advisory. Not severe, but still something you want to keep an eye on. Then you head over towards the Texas-New Mexico state line. More storms are pushing in right over into Lee County. These storms are going to continue to push down to the south and east around 15 miles per hour as we head further into the evening hours. So we've got two separate spots of rainfall, and we're going to continue to keep an eye on the sky, because these storms are going to potentially begin to push down just right up and along I-27 as everything begins to move together. As far as the clouds are concerned, we've got a lot of sunshine out there, but still cloud cover is around, and that means moisture is present across the South Plains, and those temperatures holding on strong. 87 degrees right now in the hub city. It is downright hot outside. You head further off towards the east, where those numbers are flirting right around the 90-degree mark. But check out what's happening in Friona, over in Dimmitt, where we are seeing that rain. Numbers are dropping. So thankfully the rain is not only refreshing, but helping out with the heat. Winds, can we say a great hair day across the South Plains, or a great day to play some golf? Winds have been less than 10 miles per hour all day long. It's actually been a 48-hour period of light winds. Now within these storms, you will get a few wind gusts close to 50 miles an hour, and we are seeing a little bit of those winds coming in Friona at 21. But a good note, everything's coming in out of the east, so we are getting that moisture continuing to draw across the South Plains. And that easterly flow and easterly component is going to stick around with us overnight and into tomorrow. So more moisture is going to filter through, and we have another shot of seeing rain. But after that, we dry out and those winds shift back out of the south, being sustained around 15 to 20 miles per hour on into Sunday afternoon, continuing Sunday evening into Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. You get my drift. West Texas winds are back, and they are going to hang around with us for several days. But as far as the rain is concerned, we're ready for it to hang around with us, and we're going to have a little shot. It's going to stick around the Texas-New Mexico state line as we go further into 7, 8, 9 o'clock. These showers are going to slowly drift off, going to dissipate by the overnight hours. And we have another shot tomorrow, same time, same place, the state line, over into the afternoon hours, right around 3, 4, 5 o'clock. So we'll continue to keep an eye, but then things clear out and the sun is out. Tomorrow, another stair step when it comes to those temperatures. We're going to get all the way up to 90 degrees by the afternoon. Winds still nice and light. They're out of the southeast, 5 to 10 miles per hour, but the warming trend is really about to be kicked into full force. Sunday, temperatures getting up to 94 degrees. By Monday, we're up to 97, and we're sticking around the upper 90s all week long. So you know, if it's hot in the central areas, it's triple-digit heat off into the rolling plains. Continue to drink lots of water. Make sure that you are putting on your sunscreen. That is extremely important when it comes to what's happening across the South Plains. We don't want anyone to get burnt, especially on the first week of summer. You don't want to miss out on any summertime fun, because there's so many things to do outdoors, and especially when it comes to the weekend. And you know, Terry, I've been watching the forecast, because next weekend, not this weekend, but the following, we're going camping.
We are.
We're going to
have
it.
Good weather.
We're going to have really good weather in Caldera.